Hi, I'm Mary from Marie Crochet. Today we are making this beautiful flower headband. Crochet simple chain stitch of length approximately 17 inches, just like how I crochet it. Third chain from hook, we'll do 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Now we do chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, yes, like this, and the previous single crochet that we made, we'll do 1 more single crochet. This trick will keep your stitches straight. And now we'll do 1 double crochet in each stitch across. No more complicated stitches, just a double crochet. Sew the both ends together. In this row 4, we will crochet shell stitches. So let's begin. Insert your hook and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the very same stitch do 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. So basically we have 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again double crochet in the same stitch. 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, here we done. Now skip 2 stitches and in the third do 1 single crochet. So basically we are following the pattern of 3 double crochets, chain 4 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now again skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch we'll do 3 double crochets. Watch carefully. We do 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now chain 4 and again 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Yes, like this. Now skip to 1, 2 and the third will again follow the pattern. So we'll repeat this pattern across. Now we have come to the end stage. So what we'll do, we'll just do slip stitch in the very first shell stitch that we have crocheted, just like this. Now cut the yarn and weave off the end. This is how our crown looks. If you want to add, you may add different embellishments to make it more cute and prettier. Here we will add little more flowers to give it a floral vibes. So let's crochet the flowers. We'll start with the magic ring. Here we go, and we will do chain 2. Let's begin 1, 2, and now 2 double crochets in the ring. 1 and this one, the second double crochet, and chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the magic ring. Repeat this pattern 4 more times to get a 5-petal flower. Chain 2, 1 double crochets and 2 double crochets, again chain 2 and slip stitch in the magic ring. Crochet these tiny leaves. These will add more cuteness to your project. I'll show you its tutorial in lighter color of yarn, so it will be easily visible and you can easily understand the pattern. Let's begin with a slip knot. Yes, here we go. Now chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the very next stitch we'll do 1 slip stitch. In next stitch we'll do 1 single crochet, and in the next 2 stitches we will do half double crochet. 1 half double crochets in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. In the very last stitch we'll do 5 half double crochets in the same stitch, which is the last one. This is 1, and now we are doing number 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 5 half double crochets in the last stitch. So now we'll repeat the patterns. It's half double crochets in the next 2 stitches, means 1 half double crochets in each next 2 stitches. Now 1 single crochet and slip stitch. Here our pattern completed. Now chain 1, cut the yarn. Here our pattern completed, so crochet as many leaves as you need. We have so many squishy and cute and pretty flowers and leaves. Now it's time to stick it, or if you want you may sew it also. So here is my glue gun and I will stick all these flowers and leaves together. So first of all I put just remember that put all your flowers in the bottom of the crown, not top. So just a little glue and paste it there. Just press it to secure it nicely. Now it's turn for the leaf. So just like this we will glue all our leaves and the flowers together. So here is the final look of our beautiful floral crown. And don't forget to subscribe Marie Crochet. You may also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram account for more update and details of our upcoming videos. So until then, bye bye.